I am Mr. Sanjay Kumar Das from Odisha, Cuttack. So today, our miscellaneous practice set number 7. So let's start. Number 1. The breadth of a rectangular plot is decreased by 20%. Rectangular plot, its breadth is decreased by 20%. But the question is asked, by what percent should the length be increased? By what percent the length be increased to keep the area same? First, the area and the second case area will be equal. So, in this case, there are a tricky technical formula. The formula is x plus y plus xy by 100. How? So, how we apply the formula? If the length is increased, x is plus. If y is increased, y is plus, 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 because x and y here multiplied. One case. In the other case, x is minus. Suppose length is decreased, x is minus. Suppose breadth is increased, y is plus. So this one, minus plus, minus, xy by 100. So like this, increase, plus, decrease, minus. So this is the formula. Percentage change in area of the two-dimensional. This is the formula of the two-dimensional. Length, breadth, base, height, two-dimension. So, x, rectangular plot is decreased by 20%. Suppose this is breadth, this is length. Length is not changed, so x is here. Next, breadth is decreased by 20%, minus 20. This one, minus 20 decreased. This one is plus, plus minus, minus 20 into x, 20x, 1 is x, so which y, 20x, x plus y. X plus y minus xy by 100. Here y is minus 20. So divided by 100 is equal to percent of change is. But the question is said to keep the area same. So the percentage is not increased. So it is 0. The percentage is not increased. Before, after, equal. So if the percentage is not increased, so this equals to 0. So this implies minus 20 is equals to 20x by 20x. Cut the 5. So x by 5 it is plus x minus 20 minus 20x by 100, it is 5. If it is this side, x by 5. If this is this side, minus x. So that minus 20 is equal to x minus 5x, x minus by 5. So this one, minus 4x by 5, minus 4x by 5, this one is equal to minus 20, minus minus cancel, x is 4 by 5, yeah, 5 by 4, 4, 5, 20, so 25% is the answer, right? So this is the 25% is the answer. Next, the area of a circle inscribed in a square of diagonal 6 root 2 cm is equal to. The question has told us the area of the circle. So find out the area of the circle. So area of the circle inscribed in a square. Suppose this is a square. This one is a square. The area of a circle inscribed in a square. This was inscribed in a square of diagonal 6 root 2. The area of a circle inscribed in a square of diagonal. Square. Diagonal is related to square. Diagonal is 6 root 2. The diagonal is 6 root 2. The question is given. If this is a area of square, if diagonal is 6 root 2, side is 6 root 2 by root 2. I have discussed the formula. So it is 6 root 2 diagonal. So sine is 6 root 2 by root 2 is equal to 6. So this is the side. You mark. Look at this. This side equals to the diameter of the circle. Diameter of the circle. Hence 2r is equal to 6. R is equal to 3. What the question is asked? The area of the circle. So the area of the circle is what? Pi r square. Pi r is 3 is equal to 9 pi. So here is the answer. Next. If the sum of the measure of all the interior angles of a polygon I have not discussed in my class. So the future class I will discuss the polygon. So look at one formula you have to remember. 1 to 2 formula you have to remember. If the sum of the measures of all the interior angles of a polygon is 1440 degree. So sum of the measures of all the interior angles of a polygon formula 2n minus 4 into 90 is the formula. What is the formula? The sum of the angles of the interior angles of the polygon. This equals to sum of the interior angles of a polygon. So 2n minus 4 into 90 is equal to, the question has given the sum of the interior angles, sum of the measures of all the interior angles of a polygon is 1440 degree. So according to the question, it is 1440. So 0, 0 cancelled. If we take 9 from here, by 9, it is 16. To cancel it, it is 16. 2n minus 4 is equal to 16. So 2n is equal to 20. 4 is here, 20. n is equal to 10. So the number of sides is 10. Next, number 4. The degree measures of 5 pi by 12 radian. Before said, what I have discussed, one question is like this. So, you remember, angle is calculated, 3 variety, one is radian, other is degree, other is steradian. Steradian is for the object, 3D, but radian is the circular angle. It means radian is the circular angle. Degree is also the unit of the angle. So, there is a relation between the radian and degree. It is pi c, pi radian is equal to 180 degree. What the question is asked? 5 by 12 pi radian. So, just you multiplied 5 by 12. Here also multiplied 5 by 12. So 12 cancel. 15. So 5 by 12 pi radian is equals to 75 degree. This is the answer. Next, number 5. If a pole of 12-meter height cast a shadow of 4-3 meter long on the ground. Suppose here is a pole. This is the pole. How the shadow is created? The shadow is created by the sun or the light. So, if the sun is here, where is the shadow? So, this is the shadow. It is the shadow. This is the sun. This is the pole. This is the base or ground. So, this is the shadow. This one is the shadow. This one is the shadow. So, this is the hypotenuse. But the question is told, if a pole of 12 meter height, so the tip of 12 pole is 12 meter height, cast a shadow of 4√3 meter long on the ground. This one is 4√3, right? Then the sun's angle. So this angle is the sun angle. Sun's angle. So what is the sun's angle of elevation at that time? At that time means when the shadow is 4√3. At that time. So here is P. Here is B. We find the angle. So tan theta. So this theta. Tan theta is equal to P by B. This implies tan theta. Where is the P? Here is the P. 12. Where is the B? 4√3. 4, 3, 12. √3. 3. This is √3. So tan theta is equals to √3. So tan theta is equal to tan 60. So theta is 60. Can you answer? Number 6. The question is, if 2x plus 1 by 3x is equal to 5, find 5x whole divided by 6x square plus 20x plus 1 each. So 2x plus 1 by 3x is equal to 5 multiplied 1 by 2, both the side here multiplied. Then if you multiply 1 by 2 with 2x, then here is x. If you multiply 1 by 2 into 1 by 3x, it is 1 by 6x is equal to 5 by 2. So this implies LCM is 6x. So 6x into x, 6x square plus 1 is equals to 5 by 2. 2 is cancelled here. It is 3x. Next, this implies 6x square plus 1 is equals to 3x into 5. This one, 3x into 5 is equal to 15x. So what the question is asked? 5x, here is 5x whole divided by 6x square plus 1 is equal to 15x. So in place of this, I can write 15x, here 20x, 35x. So x cancelled, it is 1 by 7. So the answer is 1 by 7. Next, number 7. The sum of the first 8 terms of a geometric progression 6560 and the common ratio is 3. Find the first term. So first, I have not taught geometric progression in my class. So I have a small idea about GP. Suppose 3, 6, 12, 24. It is a progression with GP because second term by first term to third term by second term 2, fourth term by third term 2. So this is the common ratio. This is the common ratio. Number of terms n is equal to 8. This is given. N term, number of terms is 8. So this is the position of the GP. First term is 3. A is first term is 3. So our question is, formula is A whole into R to the power n minus 1 by R minus 1 is equal to the sum of first 8 terms of a geometric progression is 6560. So this is the sum of the terms, n terms, not terms, nth terms of a geometric progression. So that A question ask is Rn, R is common ratio is 3 to the power n, n is 8 to the power 8 minus 1 divided by R minus 1. Where is the R? 3 common ratio. So this is 6560. So A whole into 3 to the power 8 मल्टीप्लाई करने से 6561 दिस इज माइनस 1 by 2. This is 6560, right? So if we subtract these two, this is 6560. It is cancelled with this. So A is equal to 2. But the question asked, find the first term. First term is 2. Right? Next, number 8. The speed of a boat in still water is 10 km per hour. Boat speeds of the boat 10 km per hour. The question is given. It covers upstream a distance of 45 km in 6 hours. So we have to find out in 1 hour how many kilometers it moves in upstream. So this is the speed of the upstream. So in 6 hours it moves 45 kilometers upstream. So in case of upstream it moves 6 hours 45 kilometers 1 hour speed 1 hour by 6 it is this one 15 by 2. What? Upstream. So upstream speed is equal to 7.5. So what to be the upstream? Now upstream is boat minus stream is equal to 7.5. Boat minus stream is upstream. Always in case of the upstream, the speed of the boat is always greater than the stream. So B minus S is equal to 7.5. So what to be the 10 minus S 7.5? Then S is equals to 2.5. So this is the speed of the stream. What is the answer? 2.5. Here is the answer. Next, A can do a piece of work in 12 days. 1 day work. A 1 day work 1 by 12. And B in 15 days. B 1 day work 1 by 15 parts of work. A's work 1 by 12 parts of work. They work together for 5 days. So that they work together for 5 days. It is 1 day work. So 5 days work is, the LCM is 60. 5, 4 into 5. This is 5, 4 by 60. Yes. This is 12. So this is 5, 4, 9 by 12. This one is 3 by 4 works. Both has done. Then the question is asked. After 5 days, B left. Only A has. So, the day taken by A to finish the work has done 3 by 4. Work has remained 1 by 4. Who has worked? A is worked. So, one work A can do in 12 days. 1 by 4 work A can do in 3 days. 12 into 1 by 4 is equal to 3 days. So the answer is the day taken by A to finish the work is 3 days. The last question. By selling 4 articles for rupees 1, a man lost 4%. Had he sold it 3 articles for a rupee, the profit would have been question. Tricky question. So you see, 4 articles, selling price has been 4 articles, 1 rupee, right? Had he sold it 3 articles per rupee, suppose 3 articles had he sold in 1 rupee. So look at this is also SP. The 3 LCM is 12. 4 articles, 1 rupee, 12 articles, 3 rupee. 3 LCM 12. 4 articles, 1 rupee, 12 articles, 3 rupee. 3 articles, 1 rupee, 12 articles, 4 rupee. But in this case, 3 rupees. He had lost 4%. So 3 rupees mean if the cost price is 100%, 3 rupees means 4% loss. So it is 96%. But now, how he sold? 4 rupees. So 1 rupees, 96 by 3, 32. 3 rupees, 96%. 1 rupees, 32%. Now, he sold 4 rupees. So 4 rupees is equal to 32 into 4 is equal to 128%. The CP is 100%. Now SP is 120%. So the profit is 28%. 28%. Here is 28%. So, if you like my video, you subscribe me, like me and share me. Thank you.